Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you what are in our TokuKit. TokuKit is a blood sample collection kit. In this box, you will first find a printed manual to show you detail of how to use the kit. And then a Ziploc bag. Within this Ziploc bag, you will find 2 plastic bottles that contains buffer. One is labeled buffer 1, and the other one labeled buffer 2. And the green top, sodium heparin bacutainer for blood draw. Two transfer pipettes for handling the buffer transfer. A biohazard bag for shipping the samples. And an absorbent pad in case of spill.